Hey, what's up everyone, Johnny the Geek here, and this is a review of the VAVA Chroma RGB mechanical gaming keyboard. A link to Amazon is located down below in the description along with a special discount offer provided by VAVA. Included in the box is a keycap puller, warranty information, and instructions on how to use this keyboard, which by the way is that large cardstock at the bottom of the box, so don't throw that away. The keycap puller is a nice inclusion if you want to swap out the keycaps, and it does look like that this is a standard keycap layout. The warranty comes with 18 months and an extension of another 12 months if you register the product. That's 2.5 years of warranty. The build quality of the keyboard is solid and heavy. I was surprised at how heavy it is, being that the entire outer casing is plastic. And it's the matte rubberized satin kind of plastic housing. I personally like this smooth finish because although it functions like a gaming keyboard, it looks a lot like a sophisticated designer's keyboard. There's also a palm rest at the edge of this keyboard. It's not padded and not quite long enough to call it a wrist rest, so this would only be ideal for those claw type keyboardists. The cable is braided and can be routed to the middle, left, or right side of the keyboard. The bottom of the keyboard features 6 non-slip pads, and there are 2 raisable feet to increase the incline if you prefer. Even without it being raised on its feet, the keys themselves have a subtle cascading key design. The keycaps are made of ABS plastic and is protected by a UV coating. This is a full RGB keyboard with each key being individually lit. The platform underneath the keys is white, making it bright enough to stand out in a bright room. The RGB lighting is fully customizable through built-in keybinds. There's no software to download or install. The 6 preset lighting configurations offer rainbow wave, starlight, snake, ripple, breathing, and fully lit lighting modes. Here's a demo of all the lighting effects. Not only are there 5 lighting profiles you can program and save, but many of the 6 presets have multiple options so that you're getting at least 10 different lighting effects. The preset and profiles are saved into the keyboard, so even if you unplug it, all your settings will be there and it will pick up right where you left off. You can even adjust a combination of the direction, speed, color, and brightness of the effects. Using the tactile Kailh blue switches, each keystroke gives an audible and very satisfying click. It has an actuation force of 50 grams and a 4mm stroke travel. There's also a 100% anti-ghosting so that you can mash all those keys at once when you freak out on those FPS shooters. This mechanical keyboard by VAVA is a great buy because I would put it in the same class of keyboards that cost over $100. Made with high quality materials, this mechanical keyboard has a very clean look. This is one of the brightest backlit keyboards I've ever tested, so for anyone who wants a well-designed and well-built keyboard with a professional style, consider this an excellent choice.